Nissan Versa Note 2014 to 2019. To remove the window glass, the window regulator and the motor, you first need to remove the door panel. To do this, unscrew one bolt in the armrest, then pull out the armrest and disconnect the connectors. Next, unscrew the second bolt located under the armrest. Use a tool to pry the door panel from the bottom and release the clips. After that, completely unscrew the two bolts that secure the glass to the window regulator. If you do not want to remove the glass but only want to replace the regulator or the motor, secure the glass in its current position. Unscrew all the regulator bolts and replace only the regulator. If you need to remove the glass, unscrew all the regulator bolts, lower the glass to very bottom, turn it sideways and pull it out through the top. You can then remove the regulator through the access hole in the door.